So in this video we're gonna see how we can compress our videos using the HandBrake. So this is one very popular open source video transcoder. So let's just see how we can use that. So first of all, we have to go to the official site, and from here we can download for our operating system. So click on the download button and the download will automatically start. And also alongside that we also need another file, Microsoft.NET desktop runtime. So we also must download this from here. So once the download is completed, so you can see here we have downloaded both of the files. So first of all you have to install the desktop runtime. After that we can install the HandBrake application. Now once the installation is completed, so let's now open the HandBrake. So here is our application. Now here we can open the file from here, or we can drag and drop our file that we wanted to compress. We have drag and dropped the file that we wanted to compress. So here is the summary about the file that we wanted to compress. Now under the video tab, from here we can select the video encoder, and also here we have the frame rate. So we can choose our frame rate, and accordingly our file size also reduce. So I'm gonna select 30. And also you can see we have this RF, so this is very important. Now if we wanted to compress the file totally lossless, in that case we should make it 0. Otherwise we can make it between 18 or 22. So this will compress the file near to lossless. And also here we have the encoder preset, so we can make it very slow to have maximum efficiency. And also under this audio tab, here we can select the bit rate of our video, so we can reduce the quality to reduce the overall file size. So we can make this 128, so this is one reasonable quality. And here under this filter tab, here we can disable unnecessary filters. So here we can off this, so this way we can reduce the file size. And also we can choose the dimension of the video, so we can reduce the resolution of the video. So this way we can reduce the video quality. So 1080p is a good resolution. So once we're done with all of the settings, then we can select the location where we wanted to save the file. And also we can select when done what to do. So for now we're gonna do nothing. So everything is set. Now here we have this button, start encode. So this button will start the encoding process. So you can see the encoding is started. Now this will take some time. So after the compression is done, here you can see this is the original file, which was the size of 566 MB. Now after the compression, this is the file after compression, and you can see the file size is only 262 MB. So almost the file size is halved, almost with the same video quality. So this is the way we can use the HandBrake, and we can very efficiently do the lossless compression. So that's it for the video. See you in the next one. Take care.